Overall, the countries and continents, the one that has caught the eye of most is Thailand. This country is unique in its own ways. The people are prideful of their land, which every country has, but Thailand's people have pride in the visitors visiting this amazing country. This land throughout the country is truly magnificent and beautiful. Step into a city in this country, and it's a sight you will never forget. Thailand is located in Asia, southeast from China, Asia. The biggest populated city is Bangkok, Thailand, also known as the capital of Thailand. The main religion is Buddhism. The religion of Thailand is a major priority for the people. The reason why Buddhism is a major religion of Thailand is because of the details you would see in Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand is 75% gold. The reason why 75% of Bangkok, Thailand is gold is because Bangkok, Thailand has over 50 Buddhist temples. Surrounding the city, temples are made of pure gold. Thailand's language is Thai. This language is a special way to show the handmade culture. Elephants in Thailand are considered to be like dogs in America. Elephants walk around freely throughout Thailand. Education in Thailand is provided mainly by the Thai government through the Ministry of Education from preschool to senior high school. A free basic education of 15 years is guaranteed by the constitution. Thai people are very strong and independent who love their king and their free spirited way of life. Almost all Thais are lactose deficient. This means they have problems digesting milk product. Thailand is also known as the land of smiles, and that doesn't just refer to the tourist. Fashion and trends come and go, but one thing that Thai people always seem to be wearing is a smile, and here it will never go out of fashion. From a cashier at 7-Eleven to the old ladies you will meet on the street, smiles are everywhere and can have a huge impact on your day. The chaotic charm of Bangkok, the epic tropical jungles, some of the best street food in the world, and palm-lined beaches, whatever your reason for escaping to land of smiles, Thailand won't disappoint you. Thailand is home to well-connected trains and budget airlines that can take you from one point of interest to the next quickly and effectively. Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Ayutthaya, Koh Samui, Phuket, Krabi, Chiang Rai, and Pai are the some best places of Thailand. Thailand is also world famous for its mouth-watering cuisine. Noodle soup, spicy shrimp soup, chicken in coconut soup, spicy green papaya salad, fried catfish, spicy seafood salad, thick noodle dish, morning glory, and Thai curry are the best dishes of this land. Thailand has three major seasons, all of which are suitable for vacationers to travel and enjoy. The country is busiest during the dry season, when temperatures do not normally reach over 32 degrees centigrade. During the hot season, tourists flock to the many dreamy beaches found along Thailand's immense coast. The markets in Thailand are like no others in the world. Each one has its own distinct character, from the crowds they attract to the items which are for sale. Some markets are dedicated to street eats, while others are clogged full of antiques and second-hand items. It seems as though Thais cannot go too long before having to escape from their 9 to 5 jobs in order to celebrate one festival or another. Many of the festivals are derived from the things like religion or the lunar calendar, but one aspect that is remains constant, they are incredibly interesting to experience. Thailand is home to an abundance of wildlife in its many national parks, beaches, and mountains. Khao Yai National Park in central Thailand is home to tigers and wild boars. Thailand's geography is certainly impressive, with every province across the country having some unique geographical feature worth exploring. The country's most impressive natural feature is surely its beaches, with over 1500 miles of coastline to choose from. So, we can say Thailand is the perfect destination to enjoy warm sunshine while combining the opportunity to experience a different culture. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like and leave a comment and share it to your friends. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.